Hello, this is my puzzle box that I have created. And, it's just looks like a box. It's supposed to be to where it has like a house here. Got a little car, some people, and a tree. This would be like the driveway or whatever you would want to call it. And this right here is the drawer that would come out, and it would have my stuff in there. So, the way that you would get into this is first, it's kind of hard to do this. Whoa, there we go. Okay. So, these two things were in there. You stick them together, and this would be your key. And, this kind of came out, but you have to take that out anyway. So, you push it in here, and so, over here, whenever you push this in, this will come out. Pull this out. There is a hole in here. Put it in the right one. Then you turn it counterclockwise. Go to the front again. Then you can pull out your little box thing. You have a small die. We got a larger die that is all fives, and it got a flattened penny that my dad gave me. Yeah. So then to put it, take and lock it, turn this clockwise. It doesn't come out. I just have this here to, so that way there isn't a hole there. Then put this back in, and that back right there. Then you can stick the key in and put the roof back on the house. And yeah, so that's my puzzle box. Thanks for watching.